What if I told you that 3,000 views on YouTube could actually make you money? Not pennies, but real earnings. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, let me show you exactly how much I made and how you too can do it. Hey family, welcome back to my channel. If you are a small YouTuber wondering whether it is possible to make money without millions of views, this video is for you. I recently hit 3,000 views on one of my monetized videos, and today I am revealing my actual earnings, breaking down the factors that affect revenue, and sharing tips on how you can maximize your YouTube income. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. As you can see, this video has hit 3,000 views, and I want to break down the metrics as well as the earnings, the analytics, so you have a proper understanding of how earnings are generated on YouTube. So I'll be revealing the entire earning metrics to you via my screen record, which you can see on the screen right now. So remember I told you in my last video that I'm still going to create a video on how much YouTube paid me for 3,000 views. That same video, the monkey is not happy and it has hit 3,000 views. Let's go over to the metrics to understand properly how all this went, and the main part, how much I made from this particular video. As you can see, this video has gained 3.1k views, 3.1k views. And let's check other metrics. Alright, people that chose to watch, 66.3 and 33.7 swiped away. Alright, so these are their indications. How did viewers find video? Through Shorts feed, YouTube search terms and others. Browse features, other YouTube features. You can see it. 66% view and 33 swiped away. Browse feature, YouTube search. Wow. And what even interested me was the search. Was that Abejoye, that movie, Abejoye season 9, episode 1 was even suggesting my video. Wow. Angeli's funny videos. This really surprised me. And this is the playlist that is featuring this short, my viral videos. Alright, so this is the audience retention for this video. The audience retention for this video. And the next thing, okay, here we also have likes and dislikes, everything. YouTube takes everything because it's all counted as engagement. So if you have likes, you have dislike, it is all engagement. Alright, so the next thing is the device type that watch this video. Mobile, TV, tablet and computer. Then the age category, 13 to 17 didn't watch, just like the last video. From 18 to 24, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, and then 50 and above. Males, only males watch this video. Wow. Females, what's happening now? Engage on my videos, please engage on my videos. I love you guys. Then United States was the top geography that watched this particular video. That's the reason why the RPM was even high. And then the next, which is loading now, I think this Okay, the geography. Okay, I think we've checked geography before. Yes, we'll check the geography before. All right, so let's look at other metrics. Let's see the next. All right, short feeds and YouTube Premium is what is generating income for this video. YouTube Premium, that's watching YouTube without ads, is also making money for me, and this is what is suggesting this content. All right, short feed as well as YouTube Premium. All right, so and this video is earning $0.07 $0.07 per 1,000 views. That's because it has reached its peak as far as it could go. It was actually higher in the first video, $0.09 per 1,000 videos. Alright, so this is what this video made, and I hope to bring you more and more exciting episodes. Just stay tuned to this channel, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hope to get more videos on what YouTube paid me for my long form video, for my live, and for my shorts. Thank you for watching.